Digital product-based home businesses are much easier and more profitable, and here's some reasons why. First of all, you don't have to leave your home to work your business. However, these type of businesses can actually be worked from anywhere, just using your cell phone. You also do not have to have stocks of inventory sitting around waiting to be sold, which also ties up your money. Plus, there's no need to keep purchasing physical products. Once you purchase your own digital product and you have the resale rights, you are good to go. Many digital products are a one-time purchase without any monthly fees. And one of the best things about selling digital products is that you have an unlimited supply. You can sell as many as you want, or you can sell. Take a look below this video for one digital product that I've been using and selling for almost a year now, and I highly recommend. It is step-by-step, so it is easy enough for beginners to affiliate marketing to have success quickly. And you will earn 100% commissions paid directly to you, starting as low as $50 to join. Let's get you started the right way with affiliate marketing today.